si team. Pero grabe naman yan pag nagwala na.
Oo. Medyo relax sa umpisa. Sige, let's see how it plays out. Kaya ko ba tong panalunin ng relax? Johnny Arcilla with the attack. Short drop there. Defended. Cyril. Polero at... So in favor of Cebuana yung call dito, no? It was called out yung Ernie ni Tim Polero. Polero going against Johnny Arcilla, playing it cross court. Ito na yung hulihan ng dalawa. Attack by Polero. Lob.
Oh!
Punished by Arcilla. Bring it out. Team Polero lobbing Johnny Arcilla short and nahuli sa paa si Team Polero. Pagkatapos kang magka-error.
Sa basket, so far sa pickleball wala pa naman, pero sa basketball dati meron.
Polero baiting the ball. Gems leading the games at 2. Felix Vanguards at 1. Kailangan ko ngayon ng Felix Vanguards para may makahabol sila sa Dream Breaker mamaya. Johnny Arcilla chose dito dahil syempre sa pickle yard Somo.
Nagutom mo, kakapigil lang hininga kanina, nakakaano.
There was a
Ganda
lot there.
depensa.
Defended by Johnny Arcilla. Arcilla! Proving to everyone who he is. Arcilla taking it down against the Felix Vanguards and winning that point.
Either kapos o sobra.
Oo. Cebuana.
Grabe placement naman yan, parang kay Johnny Arcilla.
Back to the games. Hodges with a serve. Johnny Arcilla showcasing his skills. Playing it left and right. Grabe. Hindi.
So may Wonder Woman tayo.
Mhm.
Tapos si Boss Johnny Arcilla, sobrang bilis. Siya naman si The Flash.
The Flash. And syempre, the enforcer, no? Team Polero. And now winning that game.